Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm trying another chapter of Space Marines this week. I'm using a first company lieutenant from the TitanForge set. I'm trying out the Ultramarines scheme this week. I've black and white Zenithal primed them and I get started with marine blue all over the armor. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. To darken down the shadows of the armor, I washed everything with dark tone wash. Now that the wash has dried, I came back in with marine blue just to bring up the bulk of the armor, leaving that wash in the recesses of the panels. Finishing off the armor, I used Elysium blue to do the longest part, with the edge highlighting of each panel to really help emphasize each break. For the cloth around the waist, I went for a base coat of Grimy Grey. Since I didn't want to paint yellow, I'm painting a third company Ultramarine with the red trim around the shoulder pads. I've used burnt red for the first layer of this, as well as the weapon casing. Being a lieutenant, the helmet needs to have a different color just to stand out, so I used Ivory Tusk to make that helmet really pop. For all of the gold icons and the detailing, I used AK Interactive's gold. Everything else that is metal gets a quick once over with plate armor. This is including all of the rivets on the armor just to help it break up some of those panels. Highlighting the red, I use Sanguine Scarlet. For the weapon, this is over the majority of the panels, just leaving that burnt red in the recesses. For the trim, this is used on the 90-degree corner and the center points. Finishing off the red, I went for Demon Red for an edge highlight on the weapon and just the center parts of the last highlight on the trim. Moving on to the white, I used Offwhite for the helmet and the edge of the cloth. This is also the base coat for the sword and the snow base. For the alien Carapace, I used a base coat of royal purple. While the purple is drying, I grabbed the black and done a base rim and the piping around the armor. Highlighting up the Carapace, I used Hexed Lichen just to bring out some of those details. I wanted to try my hand at the crystal sword, although the white does look quite nice, but to start the crystal colour I used pastel green on two of the edges. The next colour for the sword is a pastel violet on the opposite edges of the green. Finally, I used pastel blue in the centre just to try and blend those colours together. Moving on to the last washes, I start off with dark tone wash over the weapon and the metal parts, with a thin down wash over the helmet. finally, I used blue tone wash over the base just to give it that icy look. And that will be it for the Lieutenant. I like how the sword came out, but the camera really can't see it. But they're even saying that the white sword looks quite nice and adds a bit of regal feel to the mini. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there will be a closer look at this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.